Hi, my name is Connie Rost, and I'm a developmental mathematics teacher at South Louisiana Community College in Louisiana. I use it for the course management system aspect of it. We use it for the instruction. We use it for practice and homework, and also use it extensively for their testing and all the assessment. The most beneficial features of the Hawks learning systems that I have found are the immediate error-specific feedback that the students can receive when outside of class time. They don't have to wait till they come back to class to find out, is this answer correct? Or even if they can find the answer in the back of the textbook, they know it's wrong, but they don't know what's wrong with it and how they could have worked it correctly. So the feedback that they can get instantly helps relieve their stress, and they're not antsy about it because they can't get to the teacher. They can't ask the question right away. Do the homework over and over multiple times until they have learned and the mastery is there, which is the component that I was looking for before I even heard of Hawks learning system. The system has a lifetime license for the students. Several of the students have used it when they've gotten out of developmental math classes. For their college level classes, they can always refer back to it because they leave it on their computer, and it helps for that extra feedback and presentation about, okay, how does this work? If they miss something in their college level class, they can refer back to that Hawk system. I prefer using the Hawk system, and the students can get that instant feedback without me having to be there with them, next to them all the time. Lecture classes overall have shown a 12% increase in the pass rate for the students who have completed the work, done the work, stuck out the semester. Online classes has been amazingly significant before using the Hawk system as opposed to afterwards, and there's been a 27% increase in the pass rate after we began using the Hawk system. And the pass rate is 79% of the students who complete it pass the course, which is exactly the same as the lab class and is higher than the pass rate for my lecture classes. Overall, across the board, in the math classes that I have taught, the percentage of students who have passed the class, that have stuck it out and done the work, there's been an increase of 8% improvement in the pass rate, which is an 8 to C in the students who have worked using the Hawk system. Student success has been remarkable. Students have come back to say that they have used it past their developmental classes. Students have come back asking, what can I do in my college level math classes to help out? And I generally refer back to them, do you still have your Hawks learning system on your computer, or can you get it? Remember, it's lifetime license. Go back and let that help you for things that you're struggling with that you can't get in your class or outside of class time with your instructor or the tutoring center. It really has made a difference in the students' aspect, and on the instructor side, it has been a lifesaver for me as an instructor.